In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect email addresses using Google Forms. This process is straightforward and will allow you to manage your communications effectively by gathering responses directly into a spreadsheet. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Google Forms page. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one since it's required to use Google Forms. Once you're on the Google Forms interface, you'll notice a button labeled Blank with a colorful plus icon. This is where you'll begin creating your new form. Click on the Blank button to open a new form. Here, you can see a blank canvas ready for your questions and headings. At the top, there's a section where you can enter your form's title and a brief description or instructions for your respondents. Make sure this information is clear and concise to ensure participants understand the purpose of your form. Now it's time to add a question to your form. Click on the Untitled Question field that appears by default. In the text box, type in your question. For instance, what is your email address? You'll notice a drop-down menu next to your question. Click on it and select Short Answer to ensure respondents provide a concise email entry. After choosing Short Answer, you'll find an option labeled Required at the bottom right of the question box. Toggle this option on to make the email address a mandatory field, ensuring nobody skips this question without providing their email address. It's an essential step if you're gathering contact information. With your form now capturing email addresses, it's time to personalize it a bit more. Google Forms offers various themes and color schemes to make your form visually appealing. Click on the Paint palette icon at the top right to explore these customization options. Choose a theme that fits your brand or style, and don't hesitate to spend a little time making it aesthetically pleasing. Once your form is ready, it's important to test it. Go to the Send button in the upper right corner. Clicking this will provide several options for sharing your form, including sending it via email directly from Google Forms, sharing a link, or even embedding it on your website. Choose the option that best fits your needs and send the form to a few trusted friends or colleagues to ensure everything functions correctly. Great job! You've now created a Google form designed to collect email addresses. Remember, you can always return and edit your form by adding more questions or adjusting settings according to your evolving needs. That's all for today, and thank you for joining this guide on using Google Forms to collect email addresses. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.